Hello guys, welcome back again. Happy Sunday. I hope you're all doing well. My name is Katia Valino. Just in case you're coming across my channel for the first time, thank you so much for being here. On Sundays we do sex, marriage and relationship, and you are free to join the conversation and give your own opinion and your own thoughts. And before I get started, I hope you have all downloaded my book. The link at the bottom of this channel so that you can check out my book about sex, marriage and relationship, mostly about sex. Anyway, so today quickly I want to run this by you people before I leave. I'm going for a special event, so I just want to, something has been on my mind and I want to put it down in the video here to get you people's opinion. How do you really consult or confront your spouse or your partner if you find out that your spouse is cheating? Do you go directly, and what kind of language, what kind of attitude will you use when you want to confront your spouse about his or her cheating behavior? However, and do you spy on your partner? Do you go on your partner's phone when you think or when you suspect something fishy going on in your relationship? And then when you find out, how do you confront? Do you call it a quit? Do you say that this is the end of the relationship? Do you give your partner a second option, a second thought? Do you forgive? Do you wake him up at the middle of the night? Do you take him up for lunch or for dinner or go on vacation and talk about it? Because some people are very forgiving, and some people once they're aware of that, it is a done deal. In my next video, I'll be talking about the video that I posted last week. I have over 100 comments on that video about a sister carrying the baby of the older sister's brother-in-law. So I will also leave a link at the bottom of this video. So many comments has been trooping in, so I will not say anything until I read all the comments, and then I'll be able to do another video to tell you guys my thoughts. But don't hang up, there is a video at the end or towards the end of this clip. This is how this guy confronted a spouse or girlfriend when he found out that the girlfriend was cheating on him.
Yes, baby. You ready? Alright. Damn, I got a surprise for that ass on your birthday. You looking hella good too.
Thank you.
Shit, damn. Hold on. Don't be picking, I got it. Hold on, don't be picking now. Hold on, there you go. Surprise, baby. Yeah.
What is this?
Yeah.
Did you pack my things?
Hell yeah, Hubert. You been cheating on me with Hubert.
He's just a friend.
Yeah, nah, he ain't no friend.
You really want to do this
he
on
ain't
my
no
birthday?
friend. I don't give a damn about your birthday. You been cheating on me with a dude named Hubert, I'll be damned. Here go your stuff. It's already packed. Get your stuff and get the hell out of my house. Cheat on me with a dude.
Will you do the same thing? What will you do that is different? Will you call it a quit? Will you forgive? Will you talk about it? Or if it has been going on and on and on, what do you do? How do you handle this situation? It's always good for me and for other people to view how other people view the same issue. For me, because I always love to start by me, for me, I will give a second chance. Some people will not give a second chance, and after the second chance, once it's done, it's done. But it's so hard. Yes, I will give a second chance and try to work it out and try to understand the circumstances and the reason why my spouse cheated or is cheating on me. What will you do? Will you call it a quit? So now, after watching this video, what do you guys think? Will you end a relationship like this? Let me know. My ears and my eyes are itching. I want to know what you guys think about how to resolve a cheating relationship. Thank you guys, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And you know Katia Valino loves you all. Bye bye. See you in my next video.